सरकाराच्या कॅबिनेटींतलो जेन्ना मिनिस्टर एडमिट करता that there is corruption, a proper government of the day would have directed FIR to be lodged against those involved. Now who is involved? Everybody misses sight of one thing, that is the board of directors of Imagine Panaji Smart City Limited. This is the body which is given all the powers to plan, the powers to appraise the projects, the powers to approve the projects, the powers to implement the projects, the powers to monitor what is going on, the power to operate if the operation is needed wherever, and the power to evaluate the works that are carried out. This board has completely abdicated its responsibility. The chairman of this board is none other than the Chief Secretary of Goa, who himself is the Chief Vigilance Officer of Goa. So कोणाचेर action कोण घेतलो? A very important member of this board is none other than Babush Monserrate himself. Another member on the board is none other than the mayor, his son. This government has no right to continue. One good thing Babush Monserrate has done, and I have to appreciate because it needs appreciation, is he is open enough to admit that they have failed, that there is corruption. So once he has said it, that means the entire government says it, no matter what Nilesh Cabral thinks, no matter what Chief Minister Pramod Sawant thinks, no matter anybody what they think. Once a minister declares before the public that there is corruption, immediate investigation must start. So therefore Congress demands investigation of the highest order. SIT ती कंट्रोल यांनी एक जुडिशियल इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन सरकारान अपॉइंट करच्यांक हिम्मत आसा जाल्यार, कॅपॅसिटी आसा जाल्यार ताणी करपाचें एक जुडिशियल ऑफिसराक बसोवपाचो आनी हेजेर फूल कितें जालां पळय ह्या 7 वर्सांक ताजेर चवकशी करची आनी पयलो ताणीच जो FIR लॉन्च केल्लो तांच्या CEOचेर ताजेर कितें जालें तें सांगचें, कित्याक हे आतां पचयत आयिल्ले पण आतां तें आतांच्या भायर गेल्लें आसा. सो देरफॉर सगळे आपापले हात वयर करून मेकळा जावंक सोदता. तशें जायना तें. इवन इफ बाबूश Monserrate thinks that work is substandard and there is corruption, he cannot escape from this corruption. He is part of it. हांवें तुमकां सारकें एक्सप्लेन करून सांगलां how he is part of it. He is member of the board which is overseeing the operation called Smart City.